Hey, this is Scott from Harvest Helper, and today I'm going to show you guys how to do a disassembly and a reassembly on a Twister T4. So if you want to come over here, start out by popping that magnetic hopper off like that. Connects right there to the here. Spin this guy right here to still have your belt cover. So once you got it here, I usually just take my other cover off too, which is the tumbler cover. Just 2 twist knobs in the back. This is the way we get it ready to clean too. So if you're trying to do it the right way and keep your machine clean, you need to disassemble it all the way like this. So then once I got it like this, take your little button and pop it to the side, pull this lever, and then you're able to push your control box in, which allows you to just disconnect your whole control box. Now that you got your control box off, just work this back and forth to take the tumbler out. If you've watched the tumbler swap video, you know how to do this. If not, that's how you do this. You just work it back and forth like this to not damage these tumbler bangs right here, and kind of guide it on the back here so that it does free up like that, you don't damage it up here or anywhere. Set this in a good spot where it's not going to get damaged because they're expensive to replace. And then what I do is see these little buttons right here are just held by this little flip lever. So if you look right here, see, just turn this to the side. It was like that. I just turn it to the side, and that pulls that in. And then I do the same thing to the other side. Just get it to sit right there, and that pops this thing in. So if you look now, see how that little button's popped in on each side. And now you're able to take your lower shroud off. And this is your gasket. You want to just make sure that's still there. Cleaning it, it's nice to pop this adjustment bar down too. Or if you have to repair it. This is the start to have to repair things. You always have to kind of disassemble the whole thing like this. I mean, deep repairs, that is. Not just a drive belt or something. And so then you just lift up on this, because once you've got those levers pulled off over here, it allows this to be free pivoting. So then I just move it up like that. That allows me to clean underneath here when I'm pressure washing. All up in here, because this is where your contact happens when you're cutting, right here, you know. So it's nice to keep this surface clean right here. You want good cutting action. See how clean that is? That's how clean we keep our rentals, so that our renters have a good experience. So if you've already bought, make sure you keep it like this so you got good cutting action. You know, gunked up scissors don't cut very well. Same type of thing with your machine.